Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto with Revolut. Now step 1 is just open the Revolut app inside your mobile phone, and once you have opened the app just go to the crypto section. So like you will be seeing all these options: home, invest, payments, crypto and Revolut points. So just click on this crypto option, and once you click on the crypto, so you will be seeing this screen your way into the crypto. So if you are like doing it the first time, so just click on start trading, and once you click on start trading, so they will give you some kind of assessment test. This test is basically the basic knowledge of like, do you really know about the crypto and some basic stuff before you start your trading. So make sure to click on start quiz and complete it. This will basically a 2 minutes test. So complete it, and once you have completed it, you will be seeing a pop-up like this, or like a section like this one inside the crypto. So from here you can just if you want to receive or send or trade, you can just click on any of it, or you can just scroll down and find the coins, like which coin do you want to trade on. Just choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, BNB, or you can just click on see all, and you will be seeing the list of total coins which are available. So you can just choose the coin. Let's say I choose Bitcoin. So as you can see, like this is the list of all the coins. So you can select your coin, and once the coin is selected, let's say I want to trade on Bitcoin. So you will see the current price of the Bitcoin and the graph. So you can just click on buy, and once you click on buy, so you will be like seeing this kind of pop-up or this kind of section. So just enter the amount of like how much amount do you want to spend on the Bitcoin, or how much Bitcoin do you want to buy. So just enter the amount and click on review order, and once you click on review order, so you will be seeing the complete section, like this is the fee, this is the amount, this is the exchange, as you can read the price as well, and total credits. So you can just confirm order, and once you click on confirm order, your order will be confirmed. As you can see, like you bought this amount for 50 euro or $50, whatever your currency will be. So you'll be seeing a pop-up like this one. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can buy crypto on Revolut app. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.